Ubisoft exec says gamers don't get it when it comes to NFTs. Ooh. Hey, gamers, you don't get it.
It's really funny to picture an exec
That's exactly what he said.
The backlash to Ubisoft's NFT plans has been brutal. Yeah, well, we talked about it when it first happened, wasn't it?
And then we had an update.
And then we had an update. We've been on this topic for a little bit because originally, when NFT talk started to percolate, there was this thought that this stuff would be perfect in the sense of make a lot of money for gaming companies, potentially. They're already doing these transactions in the game around digital goods.
Mm-hmm.
And you would say, wait a second, isn't that the whole thing with NFTs? Well, anyway, many have experimented in the gaming space, and many have received backlash in the gaming space for doing such things and being criticized of cash grab, slimy type behavior, and so forth.
Yeah, Ubisoft being the biggest.
Ubi!
I went back.
You went there. Here's what he says. I think gamers don't get what a digital secondary market can bring to them. For now, because of the current situation and context of NFTs, gamers really believe it's first destroying the planet and second, just a tool for speculation. I mean, they kind of have a point when it comes to that. They kind of,
It's not far off.
Well, they kind of have a point.
Yeah.
But what we at Ubisoft are seeing first is the end game. The end game is about giving players the opportunity to resell their items once they're finished with them or they're finished playing the game itself. So it's the idea of having valuable items in the game that you can transact and send to other people and so forth. That's what he's saying. I know you just exhaled. You exhaled because the response could be also items that make you a lot of money, Ubisoft, right? That could be what you would say.
Mm-hmm.
You could say a thing like that.
Mm-hmm.
The rifle, so they've done it. The controversy, or I guess the backlash started with Ghost Recon Breakpoint.
Mm-hmm.
And the way they did it is you had to reach certain XP levels or play a certain number of hours, and you would get these NFTs, I guess.
600 hours.
Yeah.
Just to get a helmet with your number on it.
Yeah, I don't know. You're not.
Oh.
Listen, you're not busy, are you, Will?
Not at all. I'll play 600
Anyway,
hours.
I mean, based on his response, scroll up just a touch right here. It was a reaction we were expecting. Okay, so they were ready for it. We know it's not an easy concept to grasp, but quartz is really just a first step that should lead to something bigger, something that will be more easily understood by our players. All right, so they're doubling down. He's saying, we're still going to do it. We're going to make you understand why you need more NFT.
Yeah. I mean, just there's the IGN article, and there's a lot of comments talking about it. It's pretty entertaining. A lot of people are not into it and just kind of making fun of it.
Right.
So.
Yes, sir.